Alright, so today I got this bad boy 911 Porsche that I'm going to fit in with this sexy looking, including this brake in gold color. Cool, right? It made of alloy. So I will fit this bad boy. This is the axle and this is the car. So let's go. This thing. Ooh, wow. Stock wheel out. They have three type of axle, so I'm going to take the longest one for the rear wheel. You need to bend the axle a bit so the tire will be fixed. Rear tire ready. Wait, I think I'm going to take off the rear tire first. Rear tire out. All tire off. Wait, this is challenging, man. My eyes bent it a little bit as usual. Just a little bit. Oh, there you go. Roll is good. Woo. Rear tire done. The front tire. Alright, front tire done. Last tire in. To make it easier, I do it like this. Sweet. One extra axle. Whee. Rotation good. Alright, done deal. It looks great. Oh! Sorry. It looks great. Oh, pretty cool. Alright, picture time. Take out some bad boy out. Alright, garage in. Camera out. Ooh. Yes. Rear wheel shot. Ooh la la. Whew. Very nice. Alright, that's it. I will try to do more cars soon. Choose what we have here. For now, ciao.